Hey guys, welcome back for another video. In today's video, we are exploring the difference between a 2-strand twist out and a 3-strand twist out. Before we get into it, make sure you guys subscribe down below, join the gym squad, as well as turn on your post notifications, like this video, and comment down below which one, 2-strand or 3-strand, do you think is gonna have the best results. Can you guess which side is which? Also, shout out to Palmer's for sponsoring this video. And without further ado, let's get straight into it. Hey everybody, today is wash day with Palmer's. Super excited to share what I have in store for you guys. We are doing a little test. 2-strand twist or 3-strand twist. Which one is better? You know, you gotta have top two, but which one is not to? So first of all, I am rinsing my hair, and I want to start with the length retention conditioner as a pre-poo to pre-poo my hair. I love using conditioners as a pre-poo, especially after a week-long style. It helps me detangle my hair easier before I shampoo. Now I am rinsing that conditioner out of my hair, preparing to go in and shampoo. So I'm using the cocoa butter formula length retention shampoo. This shampoo is so thick and it's kind of like sticky, I guess you could say, and this lets me know that I'm about to have the suds going and I can really lather this product through my hair. So I'm starting from my roots and my scalp, making sure I'm using my shampoo brush to just scrub the scalp, stimulate that blood flow, and then letting the shampoo trickle down to the rest of the shaft of my hair. Because my hair is not super weighed down with product, I only shampooed my hair one time this week. So now I am rinsing all of that shampoo out, and you already know we have to deep condition. Deep conditioning is so important to give that TLC to your curls. So I am taking this deep conditioner. It has super good slip, like my curls are popping, they're clumping, and they're just sucking in all of this good product. So I loved how this deep conditioner worked on my hair. I left it in for about 15 to 20 minutes off camera in a shower cap, and so now I'm just rinsing that deep conditioner out of my hair. And that is what my hair looks like. No product, freshly washed, freshly deep conditioned. Look at those curls. And so I went off camera and just changed clothes, and my hair air dried just a little bit. This is what it's looking like with no product. I'm using this kind of as a primer before I go in with the defining hair gel. And so this gel is a little bit more on the watery side, but as soon as I started applying it, I knew that the definition was gonna be there. So on this side of my head, I'm doing the 2-strand twist, and I have multiple twist out videos on my channel. So if you're interested on how to do a 2-strand twist, please check those out. But you simply just twist your hair in one direction and just lapping it over each other to create a 2-strand twist. So I'm going to show you guys again at the front of my head so you can see how I just alternate the strands to create a twist. I am just passing one strand to the other hand and just continuing to do that straight down. So after I twist my hair, I do finger coil the ends so they could be nice and curly. So onto the 3-strand twist side, I am taking 3 strands and just twisting them. So I'm taking the furthest on the left, passing it all the way to the right, bringing the middle over to the left, replacing that strand, and then continue doing that all the way down. So you're basically taking the outermost strand and taking it to the other side, and you're just going to continue passing the hair in your hand like that. Hopefully that made sense. If you guys are interested in a detailed how to 3-strand twist, let me know in the comments below. But I'm showing you here again in regular speed. You just toss each piece from the furthest side all the way to the other side and keep going all the way down. After you get into your rhythm, you'll get the hang of it, and it's super easy, just like a 2-strand twist. On this side, I am also finger coiling the ends to make sure we have a nice finished twist. As you twist the hair, also remember to use a brush to make sure the hair is nice and smooth. That's another key to having a bomb twist out. This is what the 2-strand twist look like. It's the sheen for me. This is the 3-strand on this side. But when I tell y'all that gel was working okay, I knew the hole was gonna be there, so I'm super excited to show you guys how it turned out. But this is my hair while still wet, just comparing the 2-strand twist to the 3-strand twist. The 3-strand twist looked more of a rope kind of twist versus the 2-strand was a little bit more loose. So this is how my twist looked from the back, and the length is retained. So this is about 24 to 36 hours later, just showing you what the twist looked like dry. And I took the Vitagrow because you have to apply this on dry hair, and so I just wanted to add that little treatment to my hair before I started unraveling the twist. So the 2-strand twists are giving definition. Like, I love it. I'm excited. Like, I know this is gonna be bomb. So this is the 2-strand twist side, and now I am also taking some of the hair and scalp oil when I unravel these so I can minimize the frizz. For this side, you do the same thing to unravel. You just twist in the opposite direction and each strand will come loose nice and easy. So you just want to take your time as you're unraveling. So this is the comparison, 2 versus 3 strands. They both look good, if I do say so myself. So excited to start taking these out and just separating the twists. So here I am separating each side. I can see some frizz forming on the 2-strand twist side, and I'm used to having some frizz on my twist outs, so this still looks super good for me, at least. When I started unraveling the 3-strand twist side and separating it, I realized that I didn't have to separate as much because they were already kind of separated from the 3 strands. Look at this. Which one is your fave? Comment below. This is what my hair looked like. I mean, it's the sheen for me. It's the whole, it's the definition. You did it. Length retention. So I did band my hair just while I did my makeup to add a little bit more to my length. And so I got me a little snack as well. And now I am just taking down that banded method. And this is what my hair looks like. Super cute. 10 out of 10. Would recommend. Alright y'all, this is the finished look. I'm on the fence. I like them both. If I'm going for volume, this 2-strand twist out on this side is giving me a lot of volume for day 1. This side, I would say, is giving all the definition. So if you are like someone who wants like top tier definition, I would say try doing the 3-strand twist out. It's a lot more definition. It's easier to separate in my opinion because you don't have to separate as much, which is probably why the 2-strand side has more volume, because you have to separate it more. And you're causing more frizz each time you separate, versus this side I think it's more defined because you only have to separate them like 1 or 2 times and your curls are still very much defined in your twist out, versus this side is going to be a little bit more frizzy or with more frizz. This gel, however, I will say I feel like my length was definitely retained, so I really like this whole collection. Palmer's has a lot of great hair products, so if you've never tried them, please check them out. The products I used today will be linked in the description box below, but my length has been retained. I didn't have to stretch it too much at all to have my hair kind of lay on my shoulders. This is what the back looks like. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video with all your natural friends so they can see which one they want to try out, the 2-strand or the 3-strand. I love y'all so very much, and never forget, at the end of the day, without regrets, love yourself. And be you to the full. Bye guys.
It's Slim Reshae, natural beauty. It's Slim Reshae, all about natural beauty. Yeah, Slim Reshae.